Connor the rocket is full of surprises, but she was frightened of spiders and ants. But Connor is a very useful engine, and she is very scared of insects. Later, Diesel came while Thomas was shunting Annie and Clarabelle. Hi, Thomas. I see Connor left the truck behind again. I have to make a special journey with it, said Thomas. But it's gonna be all day. Diesel said, I'll tell you what. I'll take the call. You fetch my trucks. The drivers agreed too. Thomas never been there before. He began ordering the cars in order. Hurry along, he says. The freight cars were talking to each other. This is Diesel's place. Thomas is not supposed to be here and push us around. They whispered and passed through. Pay Thomas back. Pay Thomas back. Come along, said Thomas. No nonsense. But they found him so. Choo-choo. Suddenly they saw a notice ahead. Choo-choo. Blake contacted the police, but before he can turn the car straight ahead. On, they cried. Help, help, whistled Thomas. The man on duty at the crossing watched towards traffic with his red flag, but it was too late to switch Thomas to the runaway siding. Frantically trying to grip the rails, Thomas slid into the yard. Choo-choo! Look out! Said Thomas. The Blake van was in pieces.
The brake van was in.
Thomas's driver and fireman had jumped clear, but Thomas was landed. Next day, Sir Topham had arrived. Diesel and Connor was helping to clear the tracks, but Thomas was on his truck. We must now try, said Sir Topham, to run the branch line with Diesel and the rocket engine. You have put us in an awkward predicament, Thomas. I'm sorry, sir. You must stay there until we're ready, said Sir Topham, and you must be more careful with trucks. Thomas sighed. The freight cars groaned to the wheel. He quite understand about awkward predicaments. Sir Topham Hatt spoke to Connor too. My engines were hot. I sent rocket engines away. Connor was ashamed. However, Diesel said you worked hard after Thomas's accident, so you should have another chance. Thank you, sir, said Connor. I will work hard. Diesel said he'll help me. Excellent. What Diesel doesn't know about branch lines isn't worth knowing. Diesel is our experienced engine. Next day, Percy came back. And they said away for once. All are now friends, and Diesel had taught Connor a great deal. She showed the ant away by herself. Isn't that good?